Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Ropi Hapipah. NPM 1013279. Major Management. I'm student at Digitech University. In this video, I will read the final evaluation text of the English course. Let's begin. At 6 and 7, may also mean a stage of disagreement between two or more people. For example, when the manager left without a word, the workplace was at 6 and 7. Nobody knew which was up. If you don't know which way is up, you are very confused. Word experts say this expression may have started in the 1300s. At the time, it meant shocking a careless. Around the middle of the 1600s, the meaning changed to mean a state of confusion. Thank you for watching. See you. Goodbye.